So without further ado, let's go ahead and move to the next slide, and we'll kind of outline for you all about when you're making data decisions with AI, what are those best practices. First and foremost is to define, make sure that you have your clear objectives and metrics. So this connects to kind of the webinars we've been having throughout the year. And the key part being is that you want to make sure that you have your established goals and performance indicators before you're asking chat or any other AI tool to define that for you. Of course, it's a really great brainstorming buddy and they can help you in that direction, but without you determining your North Star or what you want your community to be about, it's going to be really difficult to prompt that out of a AI module. Next is determine those metrics. So just make sure it's relevant to your goal. The next core pillar is collecting and analyzing the relevant data. I know we've been having this conversation in the chat, but when you're gathering your sources of data, such as user interactions and social media analytics, you can use AI to process this and uncover patterns and trends and correlations. But again, it's not going to be the one to put it in context of your community or in context of your organization. So think of it as your co-pilot, as your buddy, helping you achieve that pattern recognition or the trends more quickly. And then last but not least is validating and interpreting. And Todd, I know you talk a lot about this in your guide about the caveats, and I think this kind of teases up perfectly to move forward. But the two key points being, we want to make sure we're verifying the accuracy and reliability of what the AI has generated, and then also consider making that additional contextual factors with your own expertise, your own experience within your community. So when we're talking in this latter half of this presentation, keep these three parts in mind, because once again, AI is still growing, community building in of itself is still growing, and so we have to kind of hold these two truths at once.